Oh, you all like that, huh? Lucky husband. You are a lucky man. Our next honoree is Gloria Salazar. A Malden resident since 2000. She was born and raised in Columbia. She came to the United States in 1985, graduated from the University of Massachusetts with a master's degree in linguistics and American International College with a certificate of advanced graduate studies in school administration. After graduating, she started working in education, but her heart was in her native Columbia. In 1993, she moved back to her country. Her dream was to start a school for underprivileged children, which she did. She worked there for over 6 years. She built a very successful school that offered all the amenities of a very expensive private school, but for most of the children, attendance was free. Gloria committed her heart to her school and impacted hundreds of students during her stay. However, she's made a choice, and her family has always been her #1 priority. In 2000, she came back to the United States. Her first job was with the Malden Public Schools. The teachers' union went into crisis that year and threatened to go on strike. That situation ignited a fire in her heart, and she became part of the teachers' union. Gloria has since represented teachers in Massachusetts and minorities and elected as well as appointed capacities at the local, state, and national levels. All the training she has received has served to improve her ability to engage in well-organized community service projects. Now, I met Gloria when she was most recently involved in the Malden Latin Council. This group that she formed with other Latin leaders from Malden. The group seeks to give visibility, a voice, and opportunity, as well as greater participation in government to people from Hispanic backgrounds. The Malden Latin Council is staffed with all volunteers comprised of Latino and non-Latinos, residents and elected officials looking to improve the quality of life of their constituents, as well as the image projected by those who are Latino. Gloria lost her husband 8 years ago. She lives with her adult children, Joanna, 26, Kevin, 23. Gloria, we are so happy for the work that you do and the work that you continue to do in advancing the dream of Reverend Dr. Martin Luther King. Making this world a reality.
Good afternoon. Those who are familiar with me know that I'm usually not in front of the microphone. I am usually behind the curtains. Thank you so much to the North Shore Women's Association, Mr. Anderson, for the nomination. I am humbled and honored to be in such great company, not only on the stage, but in the audience as well. We have a room full of people who are examples of service. I want to thank my guests who are here to be with me. They are very special in my life. I have worked closely with many of the honorees. I have an enormous respect for them. They have taken me under their wing. I am here representing my group, but I am not the only one from my group receiving an award. Karen Hayes Colon is also from my group. Thank you for all you've done. And I have a number of the members of the group here with us tonight, and I want to say that this award is not just for me, it's also for you. I'm from the Malden Latino Council, and this is their award. I am extremely proud of my team. They have worked very hard, and they have managed to gain visibility, and they hope to someday be the go-to place for Latinos in Malden. We are the rookies. We are here as an example of Malden's inclusion. 3 Latinas receiving awards today. Sylvia, Karen, and I, honored by the North Shore Women's Association. We are embraced by the city, by our city. The other community groups in the city, the Black Women Association, the Arab Women Association, the Chinese Cultural Commission, the Haitian American Association, the Malden YMCA, they have all been our guides. They have been our promoters. They have been there with us every step of the way. And I want to tell them how much they inspire me, how much I want my group to do this, to have the impact that they have had in the community. I want to thank my family, my kids particularly, for their support, for always being there for me. My son unfortunately couldn't be here, but I want you to know that he goes to bed exhausted from serving other people. I wish he was here today with me. My daughter Joanna, my personal hero, my inspiration. Yes, I will try to volunteer you less.
Thank you.
You know why? Because you have started to volunteer yourself, and I'm really proud of you. Last but not least, Mayor Christensen, thank you for all you do for all the people of color. I'm really proud of you, your administration. My group in particular would not exist without your support and the support of your people in your office. Thank you, everyone.